how's it going? Enzo here. Quick video, little unboxing of a new micro heli that I just picked up. In no way, shape, or form, have any type of affiliation with the brand or anything. I just happened to try a friend's when we went to the last fun fly here at Mowdown in Virginia, and I was like, man, I absolutely want to try one. So this is the new OMP M2 V3 Pro. Picked this up and really excited to try it. So I'm just going to do a quick little unboxing, show you guys what you get and the color that I got. So let's go ahead and pull the sleeve off of the box, get it opened, and show you guys what we're working with. All right, so the sleeve is off of the box. Let's go ahead and crack it open. And there we go. So as you guys can see, I got the orange color, which is called Cosmic Orange by OMP. Pretty cool look to this helicopter. Looks really trick, very bright. I hope the camera can do its justice to pick up some of the color here. Let's go ahead and close this box. Really rad color scheme, very bright to look at, and pops in the air. I flew this helicopter at night during a night flight, and it was very visible, even under artificial lighting, not sunlight. So in the sun, this one actually looks really nice. So really nice little helicopter here. I got this to replace my other micro, which was my version 1 Goose Sky S2, which you guys have seen on the channel. I have done a lot of flights with that heli and was just excited to try a different one. So we got the new OMP. This is the V3, so it's based off of their bigger helicopters with some of the geometry and the way some of the stuff is broken out. But yeah, very excited to try this. I just wanted to do a quick little unboxing showcase of the helicopter. Nothing too crazy. You get a battery, you get the wiring, pre-wired pigtail to where you can solder it to the ELRS receiver that goes in here. I'm going to fly mine on ELRS with the new radio that I have coming soon. I'll also do a video on that. You get the Bluetooth module so you can fully tune and adjust like your servo center, your rates, all that good stuff from the phone app with OMP. Then you get a battery, which is the same battery that actually works with the Goose Sky S2. So if you're like me that was using an S2 and now wants to try this, all the 750 milliamp 3-cell batteries will work. So again, quick unboxing, nothing too crazy. Excited to get this flying in the backyard and just to use as a fun little practice heli. So I'm sure we'll have some sort of video on it. Again, just wanted to share the new micro. So yeah, stay tuned and we'll see everyone at the next one.